If you're looking for a way to automate client follow-ups and make your process more efficient in Top Echelon, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up automated follow-ups that can save you time and ensure no potential client slips through the cracks. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share an exclusive way to access a free trial of this powerful software. First, let's dive straight into how Top Echelon can help you automate client follow-ups. One of the most useful features of Top Echelon is its integrated automation tools. Whether you're handling recruitment or client relations, automating follow-ups can make a huge difference in maintaining consistent communication. To start, go to the Automation tab in your Top Echelon dashboard. From there, you'll be able to create various workflows for different client scenarios. This means that whether a lead fills out a contact form, you receive a new job order, or someone shows interest in your services, you can automatically trigger follow-up emails or notifications. Next, you'll want to set up your follow-up emails. Top Echelon allows you to create custom email templates that will automatically be sent to clients. For example, if you haven't heard from a client in a while, you can set up an email that asks for a quick check-in. This helps keep your communication timely and professional without having to do it manually every time. Additionally, you can also set up reminders for follow-ups. These reminders ensure that you or your team don't miss out on important client interactions. You can configure reminders based on your preferred timeline, whether that's every few days, a week, or even after a specific event. One feature I really like is the ability to integrate automated follow-ups with your CRM. By syncing the two, you can automate follow-ups based on the client's stage in the pipeline, making the process feel more personalized without requiring much manual input. Now here's the best part. You can automate all of this without needing any coding skills. Top Echelon's intuitive interface allows you to simply drag and drop to create and manage your workflows. It's that easy to get started. What's even better is that you can track everything. From when an email is opened to when a client responds, you'll be able to see real-time data about your follow-up efforts. This data is critical for fine-tuning your approach to make your follow-ups even more effective. Before I wrap up, let me remind you that you can access Top Echelon for completely free through the first link below. Plus, we've arranged some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. Remember, automating your client follow-ups on Top Echelon doesn't just save time, it helps maintain a steady relationship with your clients and ensures you never lose touch with potential opportunities. Take advantage of this tool to simplify your workflow and increase your productivity. Check the description for your extended free trial and start automating today.